Jagoro mongirore Migago mar keyo pi e puothe Ephantus Kimotho oseng'oni tielo mokwongo mar gedo mar Lower Nzoia biro rumo kochopo dwe mar 9 higani. Chenrono geto bero pur e counties ma Siaya kod Busia kaka achiel kuom yore mag yudo keyo mabup mar kedo kod nok chiemo e pacho ka. Kane oloso bang' limo gedo madhi nyime Lower Nzoia mokawo heka 62,500, jatelono osingo ni migawono ochiwore mar neno ni chenro makamano otieki mondo jopur ochele maloyo 10,600 oyud konyruok. Kimotho ne oten kod jaod bura ma Budalangi Rafael Wanjala kod jotelo mawuok e counties ma Busia kod Siaya, kama giwacho ni gichiwore kaka tend counties neno ni chenro no dhi kare.
By 30th of September. On completion, is going to benefit around 12,600 farmers. The area coverage at the moment it will expand to an area coverage of 10,000 acres, which on the downstream, I think so far on the upper stream there's 2,500, which is already complete 100%. The other remaining 7,500 is what will come in under phase 2.
What the county government of Siaya intends to do going forward is to build the capacity of farmers by sensitizing them on this particular project, and also building their capacity, and also encouraging farmers to form cooperatives. This is already ongoing, and we are going to strengthen it because the project is about to kick off. And I can assure you the commitment of the county government of Siaya in supporting this project is alive.
This project is very important to Kenyans because you see now maize has become very expensive. It is making us fight on streets. Now we must think of alternative food.
This is his pet project, and among his flagship project is food security and value addition. And far beyond Bunyala, he's talking, and he was engaging the CEO National Irrigation Authority for inland irrigation right away from Teso North to via Nambale, Matayos, up to Samia and Bunyala.